Today we'll talk about how can you get upgrade on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on upgrade, you just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just click here on this price here and here add. So then it's going to show for you a list here to add your credit or debit card. Then automatically it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.